today's tool, get out of the box, is high-speed steel step bits. A nice fancy case. It's a pack of 5. Different sizes from 1/4 inch to 1 3/8. It's got 3/16 up to 7/8. 1/4 up to 3/4, 1/8 up to a half, and 3/16 up to a half. Bring you over, have a look. The smaller ones are actually marked what the sizes are on each one of the steps. So that's good. And then you've got the big beauties. Oh, they're marked as well. Yeah, so they're all marked. They all have sizes of each hole up the side. Now these are Chinesium grade, so not expecting too much from them, but we'll give them a check anyway. We are going to need a drill. But they're quite nice. The case is quite cool. Can't grumble at that. Nice little case. I love their cases. They've got their cases everywhere. I've got big ones, small ones, other ones. I love their cases. I think it's a flight case or something they call them. Right, and we're going to check it out and see if we're going to bust it, or is it going to work. I'd imagine you'd want to pilot drill the bit of metal first. So find a bit of metal that's already got a hole. Sorted. We'll turn it around so you can see, senores. I wasn't expecting too much from them, but a few people online said that they snapped and crumbled, and I'm all about checking it out. If it doesn't work, I know that I have to buy the set at £3 million a pack. I'm going to use the big one here. No issues whatsoever. Impressed. Very impressed. Love that. Of course, you'd want to be wearing your super duper protective goggles, but I can assure you that's just worked perfectly. Don't want too many metal chunks around here, because my pooty cat joins us, man. And we'll bring it over. Inspect it. Not an issue. This is no thin bit of metal. This is a good chunky solid bit of, well, it's mild steel, but it's a good solid 30mm by 3mm, and it just ate that alive. Bring you over. No issues whatsoever. I love it. Oh well, people were giving it a bad rap, and it's done the job perfectamundo. Get over here. That was the biggest one. And obviously, if I pushed down any more, it would have started boring the next size hole up into it as well. So that's why I opted for the set, because then I could choose a thinner step bit that would go through without doing the same thing, without making the next ridge down. But likewise, if you want to countersink whatever bolt is, then you know you can step up to the big one, countersink it from the next size up, or a couple of sizes up. Funky set, cheap and cheerful, does the job. I'm going to need to be cutting out some strange holes and strange places to match up for a little project I've got on the go, a 50cc project. And I'm going to have to be boring holes out the side of a big chamber to mount an engine to the side. I want to be as precise as possible, and if need be, if I mess things up, I've got the availability of boring the hole out and replacing it with a spacer to fit one of these sizes. So happy either way. It comes in a good compact case, lovely cases. Job done. So yeah, titanium coated high speed steel step bits. It's got all the sizes written here as well as on each piece, on every step. Loving it, absolutely loving it. Good little pack, and it'll fit nicely in my little pile of cool tools, and it should make everything a doddle on this build if I'm going to be dealing with steel. Steel is a nightmare, and that just ate through that stuff like it was butter. The only cost, I think it was £12.40. £12.40. Couldn't have even got one of the top brand quality ones for that price. Now I've got a full range, and they're working fine on the metal I'm needing. So tried, tested, do their job, don't just crumble to bits. Love it. Bye for now, guys.